looking poppin' period. Like, this looks very, very cute, guys. Very, very, very natural. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this very pretty unit right here from Klaiyi Hair Company. So this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, guys. It is 24 inches long. It is a kinky straight texture, and this unit is 150% density. Now, when I got this unit, it was definitely very kinky, like very, very kinky. So what I did was I washed it and then I strained the hair through. You guys can actually see that it still has a nice kink to it. But this hair is absolutely stunning, guys. I am so in love with this one. I feel like I did like it in the bigger state, but I felt like once I straightened and I saw how it straightened so lovely, I was like, bro, this is going to look absolutely fire. So I did go ahead and just straighten it through, you guys. I did baby hairs on this one just to give you guys more of a nice natural hairline. A little swig here, a little swig here, and then the sideburns per usual. But you can actually see the kink in the hair still, which I like. So 150% density with this one is a perfect density. And usually most of the time, if you ever get a kinky straight unit, always get in 150% density because it's already going to be thick. So even though that this was thick of before, it still has a lot of thickness and a lot of length. Like, this hair is absolutely stunning. They did also send me this cute little rope, so I wore the rope for you guys too, and the little matching wig band for the front. So I thought this was actually really cute. I think the green is a really nice color on me, by the way, as well. So nice choice on the color Klaiyi here for the robes. So like I said, this is a very nice unit, guys. They kept it pretty simple, 13x4, which is a good amount of parting space. I did go ahead and do a little root touch up so that I can give you guys more of a crisper part. As far as getting the hair to lay flat, guys, all I pretty much did was use my wax stick, and I also used my Even Wonder Lace just to make sure everything stayed in place. This unit, I did not glue it down. I just used the Even Wonder Lace to adhere this unit, and you guys can see flawless. So it's looking popping, period. Like, this looks very, very cute, guys. Very, very, very natural. Like, come on. So this is the Kinky straight unit, straightened, guys. I think it looks better straightened. If you want that bigger density look, then leave it the way it is. When you co-wash it, it's still gonna give you a little bit of oomph, but it does kind of tame down. But once you put the straightener through it, it's like butter, baby. Like, it's like butter, baby. So this unit is very, very lovely, guys. They have a Cyber Monday sale going on, so I'll leave a coupon code down below for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit from Klaiyi Hair Company. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.